Here is my 2019 Lexus UX 200F sports car. Look at my beautiful car. And just that few months ago, somebody didn't like me, and then they scratched my car, hit my tail lights and stuff, and somebody hit the front bumper right here. It was a car accident right before Christmas, and somebody just had to back up the car and hit the front bumper, which I got replaced from the dealer. And glad it got fixed. No one was injured. And I love this car so much because it's a hybrid and it saved money on gas. And thanks to the coronavirus, because saved me $10 gas. This is my car. I'll show you where it got damaged. The tail lights here. The tail lights here on the right. That's my tail light. And then somebody backed up their vehicle and hit the bumper too. So I got to get it fixed. This is my car. And I got pulled over yesterday by an officer. And I didn't know the tail lights went out on me, so I gotta get the whole thing replaced. I'll show you closer. This is where the bumper it is, and I gotta replace this whole tail lights, which costs about $700, which I'm gonna get replaced by the dealer end of the month. What else is there? Someone keyed my car over there, right there. Someone keyed the car, and I gotta get that replaced too. The like fender or something. This is what happens when you're doing good in life. Someone have nothing else better to do with their life and just key really deep. The surface, they keyed it really bad. Look, you can see it. Like, and then one of my other friend tried to buffer it, and look, he tried to buffer it and made it worse. It looked like a mark on there. So I'm gonna take it to the dealer and get it fixed. And this is the car. I'm gonna show you the inside too. Which I keep my car clean. I usually clean my car myself. I gotta maintain it clean. This is how it is. Before I take on to the road trip, open this door. See, it's pretty clean. Always keep my car clean. Show you the other side. My Lexus. It's crazy, dude. Then there's just the interior. The driver's side. See, that's the steering wheel. This is the sound control right here. It's really nice in here. The steering, the gear, and the satellite radio, which I activated a few days ago. You see the car is pretty clean, not dirty anyways. So you see me too. Everything is great so far. And this car is perfect. I get to go out there, help people with health, not to hurt people. And I'm grateful that I have a car to build a business. And look at, see? And this is my gas, low on gas, gotta get gas. Gotta take my car to maintenance. And so when I'm driving on the road trip, I got satellite radio in case I have no signal on my phone. Can't play any music and can't make phone calls. I have a satellite radio so I can listen while I'm on the road, because I'll be driving next month, Texas, Arizona, Vegas, and on the way to Montana. So it's gonna be a fun trip, meeting people, go around and make new friends, and do whatever it takes to help people and make a difference, to make an impact on people's life. And it's just crazy with this coronavirus epidemic. Everybody's getting freaked out, panicking. All you need people is to calm down, relax, take your enzymes, and take your super sprout steroids, would boost your immune system, your T lymphocyte by 50%, and you'll be feeling great. You don't have to worry about problems and issue in life, and just calm down and have more energy, enjoy a better quality of life. And it's just sad that people don't listen. All these rich people, all these famous people don't care about health, and it's just ignorant. So you can't help people. And there's a message for you that you can't fix stupid. That's the message, is that you can't feel sorry for people who have cancer and all these horrific illness in their life until they help themselves. So don't ever feel sorry for those people until they help themselves. And share this message with people that you know. And I love to help people. You can actually call me or text me anytime, 24/7. I'm always here for you. Every single one of you, that I'm always here for you, come from my bottom of my heart. and willing to help people, not to hurt people. I willingly go the extra mile for people. But if you don't care about health, none of that stuff, don't waste my time, because I'm gonna literally cut you off, because I don't have time for people who are toxic in my life. I want to work people who are positive and really lock arms with me and make a change in 2020, because health is important. You either could die or live in the moment now. Don't wait for 10 minutes now or tomorrow. Don't ever wait till the last minute when it comes to health. When that last day comes, it's too late to save that person. They wait till the last minute to when that disease comes. So don't ever wait for the last minute. Take care of your health now, and I promise you, you'll be living the best life ever because of me, that I save your life, whoever it is. And it's about helping people, and that's my philosophy, is to help people and network people. Net worth with people equals your net worth. So that's philosophy that I learned from books I read, like meeting people, successful people, networking, and having good mentors. There's not a lot of good mentors these days, and people make you buy these courses and buy all these junk, and all these doctors have no clue what the hell they're talking about. I'm glad from Asante owner, Michael Winnegar, Daniel Winnegar, John Din, JJ, Angela Levine, and last is Ron, the guy who formed all these supplements. And I want to thank the bottom of my heart to Ron, because he saved so much people's lives, including my life and my brother's life, and going out there and making changes around the world, every country, every state, and going to meet people, because I'm sick of these narcissistic psychopaths. And it's so hard to meet with people in California because everybody's just selfish. They only care about materialistic stuff. All these toys, like, who cares about these toys and watches? When you die that day, you can't bring those stuff with you in the end, and it's not going to make you happy. A watch, a car does not make you happy. Happiness comes from yourself and traveling and meeting people and making impact on people's lives. When that day comes, when I die, I want to have millions of people show up to my funeral the day when I die. So that's my message for you today. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you, and smile more, guys. Thank you for watching Michael Wu's channel. Thank you. Bye.